one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Saying, let's get together and feel alright. Oh, yo, yo, yo. Let them all pass all their dirty remark. There is one question I'd really love to ask. Is there a place for those hopeless sinners who has hurt all mankind just to save his own belief? Now, one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. One love, oh Lord have mercy. One heart, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Saying, let's get together and feel alright. One more thing, let's get together and fight this holy Armageddon. So just when the man comes, there will be no more duel. A pity and those whose chances grow slimmer. There ain't no hiding place from my Father of creation. What about the one love, one heart? Let's get together and feel alright. I'm pleading to mankind, one love, oh yeah, yeah. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Saying, let's get together. And in the same breath, I want to give you another message. I want you to listen to this one, the Keely, okay? This is for you. Don't worry about the thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about the thing. Don't worry about that thing, y'all. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Yeah. I said I rise up this morning, I smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds sat by my doorsteps, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. So baby, don't worry about a thing. Please don't worry, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Yeah. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about that thing now. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Yeah, yeah. I rise up this morning, I smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds sat by my doorsteps, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. You know what I'm saying? This is my message to you. Eating out the palms, such a natural charm, such a natural charm, by God, yeah. Rainbow, thunder, lightning and sun, be a witness to this day. Our love has just begun. I love you forever, every night and day. Garden of the palms will never fade away. This is the Garden of Eden, and you are my rose. I will never beg pardon to neither these nor those. There's no other God.